One of the absolute most simple sherbets to make is the raspberry sherbet. It's really easy to make, and my main trick in that is that I sieve away the kernels or the seeds. Otherwise, I make it like this. And I use my very special secret sherbet method for this. And with this method, it only takes a very few ingredients to make the raspberry sherbet. Add the raspberries into the blender glass. Fill it up with syrup to where the raspberry ends. Then add the lemon juice. Don't get the pits in there because we're going to blend it in the moment. They're going to be bitter. Blend until it's all a liquid. Raspberry pulp. Then sieve the pulp with a sauce ladle and a sieve. That way we remove all the pits or seeds. I actually don't know what it's called on raspberries. They're left over. We don't want those. Tiresome to chew. Add it to the ice machine, the ice maker, and let it run for a while. And then, when it starts freezing, separate the white from the yolk. Because the white is what we're going to use. The yolk you can use for whatever you want to. And now we can see it has started to freeze and get the right consistency, but it's still not good enough, so add the white. That'll make it very smooth and very airy and tender and give it a really nice mouthfeel. Let it run, and it takes about 45 minutes or 60 minutes in all, depending on your ice maker. And now it looks absolutely right. Soft and creamy, and the taste of fresh raspberry. It's the perfect sherbet. And now there's only the good part left. And this is what I call the sherbet method. Add the berries and the fruit, the syrup, cover it, some lemon juice, blend it, freeze it, add the egg white, and then it's done. Very easy. And you can use this method for almost any types of fruits or berries. And you can find the list of ingredients and the recipe on kvalifood.